At Mercedes-Benz of Edison, excellence greets you at every turn. From the moment you arrive to our world-class showroom with one of the largest selections of Mercedes-Benz vehicles on the entire East Coast, to our state-of-the-art service center, every moment reflects the uncompromising standards of Mercedes-Benz of Edison, the ultimate car buying destination. Hi, I'm Doug Wells, General Manager here at Ray Catena Mercedes-Benz of Edison, and I'm proud to say our great team has now won the Cars.com Dealer of the Year for the entire country for the third year in a row, which means the most reviews and the highest score. I'm so proud of our team. Please come enjoy our facility, enjoy our Ray Catena experience.